Got another pair of boxer briefs here from GKVK. I like how they all come in these individual sliding Ziploc bags. It's pretty interesting there. So this product here is the men's seamless boxer brief stretchable, I believe. Could be wrong about that too. I'm just looking at the kind of the pattern right there. So that's the pattern. This feels like your typical Hanes and Fruit of the Loom that you buy from the store. It's the size large. Waist is right at 14 inches. Stretch is pretty good. Probably get 32, 34 inch waist into these, which is lucky because that's what I got. Anyway, underwear is pretty standard. Questions, comments, make sure to ask them. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And I did get this product for free in exchange for the review. Thanks.